Okay, welcome to another episode of Larrikin Japan. I'm down here at Daihatsu. They've got an event down here today. It's really busy. They've got all different things. You can get kakigori and all sorts of things. Anyway, I come down. I wanted to have a look at this new Move. They've introduced a new Move. They've done a fair bit of work. They've changed it around. Now, it has sliding doors. Before it used to have just normal doors, the Move. But now it's got sliding doors. Oh, this side doesn't automatically open. The other side will automatically open. So they've changed it a lot. They've got it now looking a little bit more like a Tanto, the Daihatsu Tanto. So in Japan here, the Ks are really popular. Now the top runner, it's been about 5 or 6 years in a row, is the Honda N-Box. They're the best seller. Then you have the Daihatsu Tanto and Suzuki Spacia. They sort of run second and third. They change around a lot. Then you usually have the Move. They usually run fourth. Now, it used to have doors like this, would open like this, the old Move. But they've changed them to sliding doors now. So they've upped it sort of, they've made it a little bit more like a Tanto. So, yeah. So this opens up. So it's not too bad. And have a bit of a look inside. They look pretty good. So in here, this one just got, this isn't the top grade one, so it has an entertainment system that goes in here. It's not in here. And you've got your USB-A. The top one has a USB-C 2 port. Now there's all different grades. The top one is turbocharged. They have a turbo on it. I don't think this one is. We'll have a bit of a look under the bonnet in a minute. Now, these things are 660cc Ks. They're all 660. And they're 4 people. You can only take 4 people in them. But, yeah, they're sort of, for running around town and that, I reckon they're a good thing. Here you've got your controls for your entertainment system. Cruise control over here. Down here you've got different things. Oh, open and close the doors. So they do all open automatically, and that both sides automatically open. Under the bonnet here, we'll have a look under the bonnet. I'm not sure if this one's a turbocharged one or not. We'll have a bit of a sticky beak. Here we go. Oh yeah, this one is. Here we got turbo with the intercooler. So that's the intercooler there. How tiny is that? Hold the bonnet up. Okay, so here's your intercooler. That's the intercooler sitting on top of the engine. Wow. So the turbo is probably about as big as your fist. Probably not even that. Ah, see, it's got the power disconnected. That's why the doors aren't open and the battery's disconnected. So, yeah. So these are little 660 3-cylinder. So this one's got the turbo with the little tiny intercooler. That's cute. You can see in there the little intercooler. Yeah. So these things are really popular. So I think they're trying to get sell a few more Daihatsus, you know. So now they've got the Move and the Tanto. So this is going to run you, what's that, 1.8 million yen, so about 18,000 Australian by the time you get it all on the road and everything. It's going to run you a bit over 20 grand, 22, 23 grand, I suppose. So this is the Tanto. Now in the back, there won't be much room in the back. They'll be really tiny in here. Once we know. It won't open because there's no power. But yeah, there's not much room in the back. But this is a little Move. Now they've got a Tanto up here. We'll have a look at the Tanto. So it's very similar. Here's a Tanto here. So this is your Tanto. So these are a little bit bigger. So this one's going to run you 2 million. By the time you get him on the road, he's probably 2.5, 2.6, something like that. So these are the Tanto. So they're a little bit bigger. This one's just a base model. We'll see if we can find one. You can usually tell if they're the different ones because they've got cruise control on the steering wheel. But these ones don't look to be. Yeah, they're just normal ones. But that's the Tanto. So the Move is sort of coming into to look a bit like the Tanto. Yeah. So these are the Daihatsus. What's this one? No, they're all sort of base grade ones. So you got your Daihatsu Tanto. So I don't know. Which would you buy, a Move or a Tanto? I think the Tanto is a little bit bigger, a little bit roomier than the Move. But they're very popular with you know, mothers and that sort of thing running around town and that sort of thing. You can't really beat them. They're really popular. Now this one's a Fun Cross. This is a Tanto Fun Cross. So a little bit different. Yeah, this is another Fun Cross. But you got your Tanto here. Okay, that's it for today. Just a short little video on the new Daihatsu Move. I've got all the flags here with the Move on it. In Japan, they love these flags. They make these flags for everything. So you got the Move on it. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, have a good one.